guys, I'm going to cook simple eggplant with eggs. I'll show you how. So guys, this is now our boiled eggplant. So we will carefully do like this to separate. And then with this, we will dip it. And I have here 2 eggs. And we'll put a little bit salt. And sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Then beat it and beat it. And I have here crispy fry. So this is a breading mix. So we will use this. If we don't have like this, we can use a flour, just the ordinary flour or multi-purpose flour, and you will just add a little bit of salt and black pepper. You have to mix it. So this one, we're going to dip it in the mixture, beaten egg, like this. And then you just have to dip it in the breading mix. It's not a breading mix. Oops. Uh-oh. And we will see what is the result. Then sprinkle some of the breading mix, and this is ready to fry. This is now our pan. We will put a little bit of oil for frying our eggplant with eggs. So now the oil is boiling, so it's time for us to put our eggplant. Okay, now we will turn it upside down, so to cook the other side. So here it is. Whoop. Flip it. Now it's brown. Cook it for a few minutes to make the other side brown, and it will be ready for mukbang. This is the simple way of cooking eggplant with egg. This is now our eggplant with egg. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. In just 20 minutes or less, you can have your eggplant with eggs.